Your vision is our mission. Welcome to My Finance, one place roadmap solution for financial freedom. Note, this is a certified course. Make sure to follow very simple steps to get yourself certified from My Finance. Firstly, complete all the content on the playlist. Secondly, attend the feedback and the knowledge test. Thirdly, you will be mailed with the certificate of learning to your registered mail ID. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on healthy content from My Finance. Note, this is a continuation of the previous video. Make sure you have to check that out before you hop onto this one. Happy learning! Buying a car is the dreams of many of the individuals. And how can you buy a car without actually affecting your finance is a really big question. In today's car financing video, I'm going to touch on the certain topics which can help you finance your first car. Firstly, how can I finance my first car? Banks and NBFCs offer loans which are very easy to pay in the forms of EMI, which makes it easy to afford a car without actually distributing your budget onto it. Lenders offers loan in both new as well as pre-owned cars. However, the interest rate are different for a new and the pre-owned cars. So the next question comes at, is it good to take a car loan? Yes, if you have funds to buy a car, it may result for you to come on the radar of income tax department if you buy it in hard cash. This is the reason I find car loan over buying it in hard cash. Car loans are advantageous for you to build out a credit history by paying the amount on time, which could help you avail loans in future and help you build a better credit score. Now, talking about what is the minimum deposit I need for a car loan. The minimum deposit you need to pay, you need to give it is 10% of the car payment, which is you are going to, which includes RTO charges, insurance charges of the on road price. So generally, you're guaranteed by 90% of the funding by the car loan company, and in some cases, you may be eligible for 100% funding too, depending on the credit score you have built with the bank. So the next question comes is, can I buy a car in full payment? Yes, you can, but it is never advised to buy a car in the whole cash. As you're looking at the price less than 10 lakhs, you need to write a check 70% of the total amount, and rest payment could be made in the cash. Why I told this is because if you make the full payment in cash or in check, you would come into the eyes of income tax radar, and which would actually hamper your tax. How is calculation of the car payment? The calculation of the down payment is number derived by purchasing price. If you buy a car of 6 lakh rupees, you are required to make a minimum down payment percentage of the price. For example, if you qualify for 3% down payment, the down payment you will owe is close to 18%, 18,000. But if you come down to, but if you fall in the category of down percent to 5%, then you need to pay 30,000. How can I reduce my car loan? Well, to lower the EMI on the car loan, you could do these things. First is negotiate about the car pricing first. Secondly, look out for NBFCs from the car manufacturing companies. Thirdly, negotiate with the lenders of the lenders who are lending you the money for the car. Fourth is make a big down payment to cut down the EMI rates. Fifth is extend the tenure to prepare for the car loan. And sixth is making the down payment, making a heavy down payment. And seventh is looking for a lender with less processing fees or no processing fees. So the next question comes is it good to buy car on EMI? Car loans are given with 80% of the car value based on the repayment capacity of the income. So if you plan to buy a Mercedes, then your monthly income should be good enough to be able to give the EMI for the Mercedes. So taking a small car loan is a good idea rather than going for a high car loan on EMI. As you the cost of maintenance for cars are actually high, and the EMI rates for them are going to be high too. Can I negotiate on the interest rate of the car loan? Yes, just like the price of the vehicle, the interest rate is negotiable. Dealers may have to discretionary charges more than the buy rate and receive from the lender. So you may be able to negotiate on the interest rate and dealer quotation for you. Ask or negotiate for the loan with better terms and conditions so that you meet the best loan.
Well, we have come to the end. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe so you never miss out an update from My Finance. Make sure to complete all the videos in the playlist as you know that this is a certified course. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter so that you get out valuable content over there too. Happy learning!